Open Chrome browser. Next, type in the URL you want to turn into a QR code. For this demo, let's type in youtube.com. Now, look up at the top right corner and click on those three little dots. Scroll down to Save and Share and select Create QR Code. You can even change the URL here if you need to before creating the QR code. Once you're ready, click on Download. Open the downloaded QR code and you can scan it with your smartphone. Now let's make a QR code for a specific YouTube video. Here's a shortcut. Just right-click on the page and select Create QR Code for this page. Now, let's do the same for a Google Drive PDF. Follow the same steps, go to the three dots, and create your QR code. Now, let's do the same for an image. Follow the same steps. You can scan the QR code using Google Lens. Hope you like it and thanks for watching.